Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a web page. So if this is the first time you're looking at the video, then if you go to part 1 you'll see that there is a site builder demo, and then what you can do is watch this and then use the site demo to test out the site building software. So previous video we changed the header. So what I'm going to do now is quickly show you how to set up the actual web page, and then what you can do is then go onto your own website and then change the other pages within your website. So like I say, we was here. Now if you click on settings, obviously we did the logo and website title in the last video, but also what you can do is if you click on menu design, you can see that there's a selection of different menus. Now that will change your menu for you. So just for a quick example, if I click on there, as you can see, it's changed the actual menu. And if, let's say you like this one, then you could click save, and then obviously that saves the menu for you. So that's how to change that. So if we go here again, and back onto menu design, what I'm going to do is just quickly change that one back to the one that I had originally. Also what you can do is you can change the color of the actual website itself, the template. So if you go to design, as you can see there's a color scheme, and by clicking on any of these this will actually change the color of the website itself. So again, like I say, just click on different ones and decide which one that you want. You can also change font and everything, but what I'll do is I'm just quickly showing you how to set a web page up, and then what we'll do, we'll go into a bit more detail when we do the other videos. So first of all, I would add an header, and to actually do that I would click New Content Block, Header, and if you scroll down you can actually add your header. So this is the header here, similar to this one here. So the header itself will make a header 1. So to do that, if you click on header type, as you can see the numbers dropping, and then we've gone to header 1. So that's what I suggest that you have at the top of your page, and also it's good for Google search. If you want to change the color, then just highlight it, go to your paintbrush, click on the color you want, click on the tick, and there you go, that's changed that for you. As for text, it's just a matter of deleting that and then just adding your text as you want. Now on the actual text, I normally suggest that you do between 150 to 160 characters, and that is a good length of description. But if you just want to check it, if you go over and put what length description for SEO websites, and you can see they suggest between 145 to 155. So that's how you can do that. Now the thing as well is, after you've, just go back, so if you see my description here that describes the actual website, to check how many characters I've actually got, if you go over to wordcounter.net, you can actually paste in what you've written, and then you have an idea of how many characters you've got. So that's how to do your header. And the only other thing on the header, if you want to reduce the gap between here and here, if you go to your cog, scroll down, go to default block settings, and then you can actually change that as well. So save changes, and that's how you add an header. And if you want to delete the header or delete any content block, if you just go to the bin, yes, remove, and there you go, it's gone. So next on, I've actually got an HTML code, which you can do. You can add HTML codes to your website as well, but I'll cover that in another video. As for here, as you know, I added a video, and to actually do that, if you go to your cog and then if you click on select image, you can actually upload your image, and then when you've uploaded it, click on it, and then that will actually add the image. And if I just go back just to make it simple for you, so if we go here again, and then we can change the link, we can add a video. So a YouTube video, just copy your YouTube video and then paste it in there. You can link it to another page, and you also can click on show more options, but again, I'll do that in a bit more of a video in depth. So that's how you would add an image and a video. Again, the text, as you know, is dead simple to do, and what you can do is click on here, and then you can bold italic. Just have a play around with it really. So click on that, and yeah, you're okay with that. Also, if you want to add a block, there's a large selection of different blocks. So there's banners, you can add content blocks, you can add, if you want to add a picture and text, you've got these blocks as well. Different columns, social media, I'll show you that next. Testimonials. If you're adding a shopping cart, which you can add for free, and you want to add a pricing block, you can add that as well. You can change the footer, the apps. These are all the different apps you can add, and again, I'll do that in more of another video. So as we scroll down, you've got a selection of different footers, and you can change them here. And another way of doing that, obviously, if we go to content, and you can click on footers here, and then you can add it like you just add a content block. So that's it really. Just one other thing, if you change in your actual own page and you want to do it in the background, another setting we've got, if you go to general settings and scroll down, you can switch on maintenance mode. So just switch that on and change your web page, and then switch it back off when you want to make your web page live. As for setting another link up here, to actually do that, if you go to your settings, and this is the main one, which is this one up here, and if you wanted to add another page to go up here, all you would do is click that, and then you just add your sub page and name it whatever you want, and then add it, and then what it would do is add it back up here. So that's just a quick run through on how to create a web page, and I'll do more videos in depth. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.